Merch by Amazon trending niche alert. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a niche that I found that is starting to trend on Merch by Amazon. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print-on-demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on Merch by Amazon and other print-on-demand platforms. If you like this kind of content and you get any value out of this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Okay, so this is going to be kind of a short video, but I just saw this niche pop up. It's a Halloween niche. So let me go ahead and show you what it is. So the niche or the phrase is 1692, they missed one. The reason this is trending is because this is related to Halloween. This is how many results there are, so 371. If we click on the third page, we're going to see that there's still only 371 results. So at the time of this recording, this is a pretty low competition niche. And when we look at, well, first let's just look at the design. So this is what the designs look like right here. 1692, they missed one. This has to do with like witches and this in Oregon, the Salem, when they burned all those witches. I believe if you go to Amazon and just do a quick Google search, it's always a good idea just to see why a niche is trending. And this looks pretty safe to me when I did the research. Basically, what it has to do with, or what the design is saying, is that there was all these witches burned, but the person that is wearing the shirt, they didn't get that person, so that's why they missed one. So it's kind of like a funny witch shirt saying that this person is a witch, but she didn't get burned, basically. But when we look at some of the designs and some of the BSRs, we're going to see this is pretty easy to design for. You just gotta get some kind of like vintage or old kind of font like that. They missed one, you can add in like a witch or a broomstick or something like that, kind of get creative. But when we look at these designs, they were just uploaded yesterday, so August 3rd. Today is the 4th, or at least the time of this recording is the 4th, and we can see it's already selling. This one right here was also uploaded August 3rd yesterday, selling. This one too, August 3rd, selling. This one's a little different. Here you can see they're using broomsticks, so a little more creative. Salem, they missed one, 1692, so you don't have to do big text like this. You can do something kind of different. This one is also selling as well, and it was just uploaded yesterday. So we can see that this design is low in competition. It is selling and it is trending because Halloween is coming up. Yes, people are already starting to buy Halloween designs. If we go to test to see if this is trademarked, we're going to see 1692, they missed one. Hit enter, nothing pops up. And if we just get rid of 1692 just to see if they missed one is trademarked, it is also not trademarked. So in my opinion, this phrase or niche looks pretty safe. If we go to Etsy to check out the competition on some of the other websites, we're going to see 1692, they missed one. Only 779 results, so really low in competition. You can get kind of an idea on what some of the other designs look for. You get kind of some design ideas to maybe how to design. Maybe you can add in some orange colors to your designs. If we go to Redbubble, we're going to see 1692, they missed one, only 11 results, so that's super low. We can kind of see what other types of click art people are using. So right here we're going to see this, what I'm talking about, where you have like a witch on a broom. That's very easy. You just have to put the text on the top and the bottom. Here's one with like a Halloween font, kind of dripping. You can go to Creative Fabrica and you can get good fonts there. And here just using like a witch hat. So this one's actually pretty cool right here, I think. So very low competition on Redbubble. Redbubble's cool because it's free. You don't have to get like approved like on Merch by Amazon. You don't have to pay for listings like on Etsy. And this actually gets a lot of traffic. They do a lot of advertising, and it's just a good place to get started if you're new to print on demand. And then TeePublic is similar to Redbubble. I believe they actually are owned by the same people or same company. But here we're going to see 1692, they missed one. Very little competition as well. It doesn't actually show the results, but if we go down, we're going to see there's only one page. So I don't know, 1, 2, 3, maybe like 15 to 20 results only. And again, we can see what the designs are, and we can see, or we can get some ideas. So that is basically the niche that I have for you. I just kind of woke up from a nap and I just jumped onto Amazon to check my sales, and I was looking at if there's any trending niches, and I saw this pop up and it kind of caught my eye. This is good because it's because Halloween is coming up right now. Back to school is what is selling, but the next big niche is going to be Halloween. I actually made a video the other day on some other Halloween niches, so if you're interested, check out this video right here. And if you're looking for Halloween fonts, you can go to Creative Fabrica and you can just type in Halloween, or you go to fonts right here and then you type in Halloween. You can see all these Halloween fonts right here. That's going to help your designs kind of resonate more with people and look more like a Halloween font. They got some pretty good ones here. Actually, like this one's pretty good right here. You can also find that dripping one, like right here. You can see they have the blood. This one's dripping right here. So You can get some good Halloween fonts right here on Creative Fabrica. If you're just looking for some Halloween witch clip art, you can do the same thing. Just type in Halloween witch. You can see here you get some good clip art, like stuff like this right here, or you can also get some good clip art right here. Creative Fabric is probably the best resource for us print on demand or merch by Amazon sellers. They have everything from fonts, graphics, AI. They have courses. They have a whole POD section and bundles. If you're interested, I have a link in my description. It's only $4.99 a month. You go to one of my latest videos right here and just go into the description under where it says my favorite POD tools. I do have an affiliate link here. It is an affiliate link, so if you do sign up using my link, I do get a small commission. But if you're interested, Creative Fabrica is just a great resource and a great value. I mean, it's only $50 or 50 to 60 bucks for the year. So definitely check that out if you're interested. And then if you are struggling to get sales on Merch by Amazon, or if you're a beginner to Merch by Amazon and you're looking for some guidance or a course, I have these 2 courses on Udemy that I recommend that you check out. This is my Merch by Amazon for Beginners course, Step-by-Step Beginner's Guide for Mastering Merch by Amazon. Let's see. Right here you'll see that this is what you'll learn. This is the course content. So I teach you how to cross niche, how to niche down, how to scale your designs, how to find trending niches. You can steal my best evergreen niches, how to check for trademarks, how to keep your accounts safe, how to design. If you scroll down here, you can see what the reviews and the ratings are. And right now the price, I believe it's only $10. I have it on Udemy. It does come with money back guarantee, so if you don't like the course, you can just return and get your money back. But people seem to like it. And then I also have one for Redbubble as well. Redbubble Masterclass, Step-by-Step Guide for Mastering Redbubble. It's over an hour-long content, 18 lectures. You can also come down here, see what you'll learn, and you can see what the course ratings are. These courses are good for beginners or for people that are struggling to get sales on Merch by Amazon and Redbubble. If we take a look at my credentials on Merch by Amazon, I'm a tier 8,000 seller. I've done over 12,000 sales. I made over $40,000 in royalties. Yesterday, my sales, I did 12 sales. I had 1 return, made close to 60 bucks, averaged $4.81 a sale, and it looked like I was mainly just selling t-shirts and 1 pop socket. My credentials on Redbubble. So over the past 12 months, I've done $1,500 with my best month being last year, November, where I did $187. So if you're interested in these courses, these links will be in the description. I'll also have them as a pinned comment. And like I mentioned a little bit earlier, if you're looking for like more design ideas, check out my latest video. This Halloween one is a really good one. So I definitely check this out. This is probably going to be the biggest Halloween niche of the year. I also have some other videos, other trending ideas if you're just kind of short on ideas. So go ahead and check it out. And again, if you like this kind of content, make sure to subscribe and like the video. Okay, so sorry that this is kind of a short video. It's only got 1 niche, but I just saw it pop up today. Now, this is going to be a fun time for merch because I remember last year, like once it starts to like summer's over, there just seems to be a lot more like trending niches. I remember at least that's how it was last year. Now, last year, I remember there was that news of Roe that came out, so that's why I think there was so many trending niches. But I think it's going to be a good time. It always is. Getting ready for Q4. It's exciting because we just have so many holidays coming up, like Halloween, Thanksgiving, Christmas, etc., etc. All right, so get ready and let's have a good Q4. All right, so thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.